Now the third example of the exercise 5.3, it is if a bar dot b bar is equal to under root 3 and a bar cross b bar is equal to 2i cap plus j cap plus 2k cap, then find angle between a bar and b bar. Then find the angle between a bar and b bar. Now here, given that the dot product and cross product of the vector, now we find the angle between that vector. Okay, here let theta be angle between a bar and b bar. Okay, it is theta is the angle between a bar and b bar. Now given a bar dot b bar is equal to under root 3. Okay, by dot product we know that it is cos theta is equal to a bar dot b bar upon magnitude of a bar into magnitude of b bar. It is cos theta, and then dot product it is given, therefore under root 3 upon magnitude of a bar into magnitude of b bar. Okay, suppose it is equation number 1. Okay. By using dot product, we want to find the angle between a bar and b bar. By using dot product, we find the relation of the theta. It is cos theta is equal to under root 3 upon magnitude of a bar upon magnitude of b bar. It is cos theta, and a bar cross b bar is equal to 2i cap plus j cap plus 2k cap. Okay, now angle between two vector by using the cross product, therefore we can write it is sin theta, and sin theta is equal to magnitude of a bar cross b bar upon magnitude of a bar into magnitude of b bar, and then magnitude of a bar cross b bar, it is under root of 2 square plus 1 square and plus 2 square upon magnitude of a bar into magnitude of b bar. Now sin theta is equal to 3 upon magnitude of a bar into magnitude of b bar. It is equation number 2. Now by using equation number 1 and equation number 2, we find the angle between vector, that is we find the value of the theta. Now cos theta is equal to this and sin theta is equal to this, then divide equation 1 and 2. Therefore divide equation 1 by 2. We get cos theta upon sin theta is equal to under root 3 upon magnitude of a bar into magnitude of b bar upon 3 into magnitude of a bar into magnitude of b bar. Here magnitude of a bar, magnitude of b bar get cancelled. Then cos theta upon sin theta, it is cot theta, is equal to magnitude of a bar, magnitude of b bar get cancelled, root 3 upon 3, it is 1 by under root 3. Okay, and therefore theta is equal to 60 degree. Okay. Then angle between two vectors, it is a 60 degree. Now we see the next example. Next, example number 5. Find number 1. Here the two examples. Number 1, find u bar dot phi bar. Find u bar dot phi bar if magnitude of u bar is equal to 2, magnitude of phi bar is equal to 5, and magnitude of u bar cross phi bar is equal to 8. And second example, find magnitude of u bar cross phi bar if magnitude of u bar is equal to 10, magnitude of phi bar is equal to 2, and u bar dot phi bar is equal to 12. Okay. Now here are the two examples. Now we see the first example. Here for the first example we want to find the u bar dot b bar. In first example, given that magnitude of u bar is equal to 2, magnitude of phi bar is equal to 5, and magnitude of u bar cross phi bar is equal to 8. Okay. Here given that the magnitude of u bar cross phi bar, okay, we want to find the dot product. Okay, in dot product and cross product, dot product it is a bar, magnitude of a bar into magnitude of b bar into cos theta. Okay, and in the cross product, magnitude of a bar into magnitude of b bar into sin theta into n cap. When we take the magnitude of the cross product, it is magnitude of u bar plus into magnitude of phi bar into sin theta only. Okay, when we take magnitude. Okay, now we find the dot product u into phi, that is u bar dot phi bar. Okay, the definition of u bar dot phi bar, it is u bar magnitude of u bar into magnitude of phi bar into cos theta. Here magnitude of u bar and magnitude of phi bar are already given. We want to find just the value of the cos theta. Okay, and value of cos theta by using this. First we find the value of sin theta by using this cross product, and then by sin theta we find the value of cos theta. Okay, now it is given, then we know that sin theta is equal to, here theta is the angle between u bar and phi bar. Okay, first we take, let theta be angle between u bar and phi bar. Then therefore you can write sin theta is equal to magnitude of u bar cross phi bar upon magnitude of a bar, sorry, it is u bar magnitude of phi bar. Okay, and both values are the given. Therefore it is 8 upon 2 into 5, and then it is 4 by 5. 4 by 5 it is the value of sin theta, but we want to find the value of cos theta. Therefore here we use the trigonometric identity. Then we know that cos theta is equal to under root of 1 minus sin square theta. Cos theta is equal to under root of 1 minus sin square theta. Now here the calculation, under root of 1 minus 16 by 25 sin square theta, it is sin square theta. Then it is under root of 9 by 25, it is square root, it is a plus or minus 3 by 5. Okay, therefore the value of cos theta, it is a plus or minus 3 by 5. Then therefore the definition of dot product, now a bar dot b bar is equal to magnitude of a bar into, sorry, it is, here we want to find u bar dot phi bar. U bar dot phi bar is equal to magnitude of u bar, magnitude of phi bar into cos theta. Theta is the angle between u bar and phi bar. And then put all the values. U bar, magnitude of u bar, it is 2 into 5 into plus or minus 3 by 5. And therefore we can write u bar dot phi bar is equal to 5 get cancelled. It is a plus or minus 6. That is the dot product of two vectors. Then the condition magnitude of u bar, magnitude of phi bar, and the magnitude of cross product is given. U bar dot phi bar is equal to plus 6 or minus 6. Now we see the second example. Here, let it is given magnitude of u bar is equal to 10, magnitude of phi bar is equal to 2, and u bar dot phi bar is equal to 12. Okay, let theta be angle between u bar and phi bar. Here given that u bar dot phi bar. Okay, therefore it is u bar cos theta. Cos theta is equal to, here dot product is given, u bar dot phi bar upon magnitude of u bar into magnitude of phi bar is equal to, it is 12 upon 10 into 2. Okay, see carefully, 12 upon 10 into 2. Here it is a 20. 12 upon 20, it is a 3 by 5. 12 upon 20, it is 3 by 5. Therefore, cos theta is equal to 3 by 5. Again, we want to find the magnitude of cross product, u bar and phi bar. Okay, magnitude of cross product of u bar and phi bar. It is a magnitude of u bar into magnitude of phi bar into sin theta. Here, we know the value of cos theta, then find the value of sin theta. Then we know that sin theta is equal to under root of 1 minus cos square theta, and then it is under root of 1 minus 9 by 25, 9 by 25, and it is under root of 16 by 25, and therefore sin theta is equal to, it is plus or minus 4 upon 20, it is 5. Okay, here therefore we want to find the magnitude of u bar cross phi bar. Magnitude of u bar cross phi bar, it is magnitude of u bar into magnitude of phi bar and into sin theta. Okay, here we want to find the magnitude, therefore we take only the plus value. Okay, therefore magnitude of u bar, it is a 10 into 2 and into 4 by 5. Okay, here we take only plus value because it is a magnitude of u bar cross phi bar, and then the calculation, it is 5 2, it is magnitude of u bar cross phi bar is equal to, it is 2 into 2 4 into 4, it is a 16. Okay, see carefully, here we take the value plus because here we find the magnitude of u bar cross phi bar. Sin theta is equal to plus or minus 4 by 5, but we take here only 4 by 5. Okay, now next, next example. Sixth example, prove that prove that 2a bar minus b bar cross 2a bar plus b bar is equal to 4 into a bar cross b bar. Okay, here see carefully. Here we use only the properties of the scalar product. It is a vector product. Now it is LHS. 2a bar minus b bar cross 2a bar plus b bar. Okay, here take a straight product of two vectors. It is two terms, two brackets, straight product of two brackets, but here product is a cross product. Okay, and we find the product of the vectors. Therefore 2a bar multiply 2a bar, it is 4a bar cross a bar. It is 2 into 2 are the scalars, therefore it is a 2 into 2 4, but a and a are the vector, therefore you can write a cross a. Then plus 2 a bar cross b bar minus 2 b bar cross a bar and minus b bar cross b bar. Then we know that the cross product of the same vector, it is a 0, plus 2 into a bar cross b bar and minus 2 into b bar cross c bar minus 0. Cross product of same vector, it is a 0 vector. Now first and last term is 0, then middle two term, it is 2 a bar cross b bar plus 2 into a bar cross b bar. Here again we use the property of cross product. Here b bar cross a bar, we can write a bar cross b bar. A bar cross b bar is equal to minus b bar cross a bar. Therefore here minus, we get it is plus, and then last answer, it is 4 into a bar cross b bar, and it is RHS. Okay, see carefully. Next example, example number 14. If magnitude of a bar dot b bar is equal to magnitude of a bar cross b bar and a bar dot b bar is less than 0, then find the angle between a bar and b bar. Then find the angle between a bar and b bar. Now here let theta be angle between a bar and b bar. Here given that the dot product is equal to magnitude of the cross product, okay, therefore we can write cos theta is equal to a bar dot b bar upon magnitude of a bar into magnitude of b bar. Okay, therefore we can write here a bar dot b bar is equal to magnitude of a bar into magnitude of b bar into cos theta. Okay, it is a definition of dot product. Take the magnitude is same. Okay, and magnitude of a bar cross b bar is equal to magnitude of a bar magnitude of b bar into sin theta. Okay, definition of cross product, magnitude of a bar magnitude of b bar sin theta into n cap, but here we take the magnitude, and here given that magnitude of a bar dot b bar, okay, we take magnitude or simply write a bar dot b bar because it is a scalar, a bar cross b bar. Okay, here we simply write a bar dot b bar because dot product it is a scalar, but cross product it is a vector quantity, so we take magnitude. This scalar and the magnitude are the same. Now both are the equal, therefore these are the equal. Therefore you can write magnitude of A bar, magnitude of B bar cos theta is equal to magnitude of A bar, magnitude of B bar into sin theta, and therefore we get cos theta is equal to sin theta, or sin theta is equal to cos theta. Cos theta is equal to sin theta. Okay, cos theta is equal to sin theta. Then we find the angle between angle theta. We know that the angle 45 degree. Okay, cos 45 and sin 45 are the same. Okay, therefore theta is equal to 45. Okay, theta is equal to 45, but here the given condition, but A bar dot B bar less than 0. Okay, here it is a condition A bar dot B bar less than it is less than 0. Therefore cos theta is less than 0, and cos theta is less than 0. That means the value of cos theta is a negative, and cos theta is negative in the second and third quadrant. Okay, therefore theta is a obtuse. Okay, and we know that the definition of dot product, theta in between 0 to pi. So we take the value of theta. Okay, cos theta is negative in second and third quadrant, but the value of theta is less than pi. That is, we can take theta only in the second quadrant, and therefore theta is equal to pi minus pi by 4, and then it is 3 pi by 4, and it is the last answer. It is a theta is equal to 3 pi by 4. Okay, see carefully. When A bar dot B bar less than 0, then the angle in the second quadrant. If A bar dot B bar, it is a greater than 0, that is positive, that is theta is acute angle, then we can write theta is equal to pi by 4. But here A bar dot B bar is a less than 0, therefore we can write the theta in the second quadrant, that is the 3 pi by 4. Okay, see carefully.